Teo, what day is it today? Do you know the day? Monday? Wednesday?
Tuesday,
Friday?
Saturday, Sunday, 16.
16. No, it's Thursday, June the 6th, 2013. How old are you? 2. Whose birthday cake is that?
Gavin's 4.
Gavin's 4. How about Kayla? 3. Very good. How about Noah? Just a baby, right?
Then that's the 2.
2. He'll be 2 months, yes.
2 months.
But Teo is how old?
2.
Very good. Where are we? Whose house is this? It's not Teo's house. Whose house is this? Lola's house. Very good. Okay. What are you going to say to the camera? Okay. Okay, say bye to the camera. Say bye. It's a video. Say bye. See you later.